You've got to try this chili sauce that goes with absolutely everything. Today I'm enjoying it with my Kenkey, but if you've seen my Attiéké video, you probably have seen this chili sauce as well. So to answer your questions, guys, this is how I make it. So to start with, I'm going to wash all my fresh ingredients. Today I'm using 2 tomatoes, 1 green cayenne pepper, 1 sweet Turkish pepper, and 1 habanero. This habanero was so incredibly spicy and fragrant. If only I could go back to that day and buy a dozen more. It's always a hit and miss when you're buying peppers out here. Sometimes they're good and sometimes they're so incredibly mild. So I kept the seeds of these habaneros and I'm definitely going to try growing them at home. Wish me luck. So here I have some ginger, just a little bit, less than a thumb-sized amount, and I'm going to peel the skin and also proceed to chop my garlic. So the idea here is to chop all my fresh ingredients so that they can fit into my cute little mini food processor. So here's that habanero I was telling you about. I'm just going to cut 1/4. This is probably less than a quarter. Trust me, it is so hot. But if you can handle the heat and you are a big pepper person, then you can ditch all the tomatoes and make this with just chili peppers, onions, ginger, and garlic. So once all your ingredients are chopped up, add it to your food processor and roughly chop it. So today I'm using the chop option so that I still have chunky bits of everything. It's really nice to eat this chili sauce and be able to identify all the ingredients. And plus, it just makes it more appealing. So into a pan, we're going to add a generous amount of oil, let's say about 30 ml. And then I'm going to add all those chopped ingredients. I'm going to stir it and allow it to simmer so that the liquid starts to evaporate before proceeding to add about a tablespoon of vinegar. Continue to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes to help that vinegar evaporate and to reduce the sour taste of the tomatoes. Following that, you're going to add a bit of a shrimp seasoning cube as well as some rock sea salt. It has to be rock sea salt because you guys, those of you who use this, you know that it hits different. The flavor is on another level. It's not like table salt, trust me. So finally, you're going to allow this sauce to cool down before storing it into a mason jar. If you intend on using this another time, use a clean spoon whenever you dish out. So today I'm enjoying mine with some kenkey. I've got some octopus frying here and some shrimp that I also fried off camera. In goes my fish, and here we have our delicious dinner. So as soon as my son saw me making the pepper sauce, he said he wanted to eat banku, which I did not have the ingredients for. So I fished through my freezer and I found this lonely piece of Attiéké. We served it with some fresh pepper, your typical chili, tomato, onion combination, as well as some Shito and the chili we'd made today. All hands were on deck. There's something about communal eating that is just fun. And alhamdulillah, abin chinyayi al-baraka. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do try it out and I will see you again in the next one.